each other. Oh, okay, we're not supposed to help each other.
Okay,
Not
well,
myself.
more
fun that way.
If you do that, then everyone's gonna have the exact same amount correct.
Oh, okay. Can't help anybody.
If you want to,
Oh, this
Is this why you borrowed the movie from us the
Go over
other
there.
day?
Man.
I don't think Brian does.
Move over.
Dad, I had to make up all the questions. Like,
Mashed potatoes are very good.
absolutely. Oh, sorry. I didn't know if you were into playing the games with the
Oh, I
Do any more of them want any?
don't know. They're
Alright. Okay, well,
Joe?
I'll change it if you have a better answer. Hey.
Michael.
In the song, the grandma got run over by her grandparents.
Michael knew it.
Got a hoof print right there in the middle of her forehead.
Number 15.
Who's Brenda Lee?
O'Hara,
She's
a singer.
Brenda Lee.
Heard of in New York City, right? Was it New York? Yeah.
Do you know who Brenda Lee is?
Yeah.
She's a singer?
Yeah.
What did she
What,
do
what
in
number?
94?
This is our long test.
What was Brenda Lee doing? Rocking around the Christmas tree.
rockin'.
Rocking around the Christmas tree.
See, that's not my era, so I would not know that, right?
Gloria, I remember you liked,
Oh, did you make those?
Yeah, those sugar cookies.
Oh, did you make them? I'll try it if you made
you
it.
have raised them.
Throw it in the oven.
What flower does the author Clement
Oh,
Moore
yeah.
compare St. Nick's cheeks to?
Flowers
What
were
flower?
like, cheeks were like, cherry blossoms?
No. His cheeks were like roses? No, they were like, what are red?
Cherry blossoms.
Santa had cheeks like, his nose like,
Nose is like a cherry.
no, his
right.
belly moved, no, like a bowl of jelly.
Yeah, but his nose was like a cherry.
Cherry. So his cheeks were like berries? Is that a flower? No. Cheeks were like,
Sweet bowl. How about the blind side? It's waste of $50.
He becomes a nutcracker again. I don't know.
Yeah, that